Hi, and welcome back to Trailer Park Mom. Yes, I thought, you know, I've been thinking about it. You know, I don't, I thought about not showing this item, but then I thought, well, because people just like reporting everything I do. But, you know what I decided to do? Show it anyways. Because I don't even care. No. So we're going to have an unboxing. My money paid for it. And I'm going to use it. And I'm going to show it. Support that. You know, I came too far to worry about what other people think. I came way too far for that. And I'm not looking back on worrying about what people think. I got a family to take care of. I don't have time for all that. Nope, I don't have time for all that nonsense. Trying to get it out. Okay, I'm gonna show it anyways. I don't care. It's a carpet cleaner. I've been thinking about this for a very long time. When I've been thinking about this ever since the old the old landlord owned this building. Yeah, yeah. When this apartment was $300. And I'm gonna keep this away from Jacob. Yep, I sure am. Whoops. Yep, I'm gonna keep this away from Jacob. Oops. The little attachments to it. Here's the cleaner that go with it. Be honest with you, everybody should have something like this. Yeah. Even if you have an apartment. That way it keeps it clean, and when you're ready to move out, the apartment won't be have carpet stains. Be honest with you. So this is what it looks like. I don't think that's anything. I don't think that. No, there's just an empty box. Now there's got to be something here because I hear something. Yep. Little attachments. And here are the instructions. I'll need that. That's it on that. I won't do this right now, but I am so glad that I decided just to show it. Who cares? Here's the full brush that goes with it. Got an Amazon unboxing. Woohoo! So we got that. Never used one before. Of course, I never used one before. So I'll have to figure it out. But yep, that's what I got. Yeah. Oh, okay. There's the hose. I wonder where the hose is at. There's the hose. There we go. There we go. See? So we're gonna keep the carpets clean. And that'll be a good thing. I'm not gonna open this because this is the cleaner. So yep, that is it for the video. So remember guys, L is for love. Love yourself and love others. Love yourself first. Yeah, you gotta do that before you can love others. Remember, we follow God, not people. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.